Hey homies, what's up? It's your boy, Johnny, aka Dirty. So we got great news today. Check it. We got a video editor. Her name's Brandy. Say hi, Brandy. Thank you, Brandy. In light of Women's History Month, we will be proceeding with a weekly Women in Science every week. So we're both kind of excited about that, as well as some more article reviews, scientific peer-reviewed research articles, as well as published articles. And obviously we will still be reviewing and going over scientific topics, ideas, trends, protocols, and principles. Yeah, your boy's really excited. This is good. This is good. I will see y'all soon. For the people who have been hitting me up asking me where I've been, I'm back. Thank you. And yeah, let's promote some diversity in science, homies. Be safe, take care, see y'all next time. Man.